So here I am in the middle of Sydney in Chippendale. Let me introduce you to Bjorn. Bjorn has this cafe over here and basically has a bar, a restaurant, and on top he has a BeeHive. So let's go and have a look at it. How often do you harvest?
It depends on the season. I mean, obviously summer and spring it's quite active, so there's a lot of honey in there. You get about kilos.
Nice. And you said that honey tastes different based on the season?
Yeah, well, these guys are constantly and they pick up whatever's available because it's changing constantly. Because they work on a GPS system, they don't know where they are, so they all come out, not in a swarm, but they come out in a circle and reset the GPS so they know where to come back to. I think it's about 60,000 bees, I'm told.
You had counted one by one?
I know them all by name.
There's Steve 1, Steve 4, Steve 5.
They all have their task, right, inside the beehive?
Yeah, our queen is actually, she's on the top. There's a wire between them, and it actually is only small enough for these guys to get in and out, sort of cleaning service and whatever, but she can't actually get back.
Do you steal some of the royal jelly for yourself? You don't want to live forever?
We shouldn't we?
Yeah, like...
There's like a personality to the queen?
Yeah, the queen sets the tone.
Okay.
So if you go over here and they're all hostile and swarming and carrying on, it's the queen's fault. Kill the queen, a new one.
Why do you think like the bees are so important to humanity, I guess, in general?
Because we love their honey and cocktails.
Yeah, well, I mean...
They're obviously pollinating everything, aren't they? And just helping everything grow, aren't
Yeah.
they? It's crucial. And I think it's underestimated, but I think that's part of why everyone's so fascinated. Oh, you've got bees on you.
They're responsible for more than 30% of everything we eat. So you can only imagine what a grocery store would like if there was no bees around. Thank you, Bjorn.
You're welcome.
Thanks a lot to show us your beehive. Downtown Sydney, Chippendale. That's pretty cool. Thank you, Bjorn. Changing habits.